Hello everyone, MPX AUTOS in Sydney. It's James here. How are you today? In this video, we'd like to share the works that we already finished in the Hino truck. This one is the 721 and 21 motor. Now, what's special on this one is that we installed the 9-inch system. Of course, it's 100% plug and play, and this one is the special hybrid version, slightly under the advanced, but it is better than the regular one. Now, if you want to know about that one, yeah, we can talk about that later on. But actually, more special about this one is you can see that it has two USB like what we normally do. Yes, the factory look as USB over here. No, that's not very special. The special thing is here. Look at this. Now you actually see a switch. Currently it is at this position, so that one, if we reverse the truck now, you will see the reverse camera come up straight away. Okay, that is the factory reverse camera, and that is infrared factory reverse camera. It turns on immediately when we turn the trucks on, the reverse, and it connects directly to our system via plug and play, special designed by MPX AUTOS system. Now, what the cool thing about this system that it never happened on any Hino truck before that we did the system that we supply, okay, is that this button here, this toggle, as they call it, this toggle will help you to see the factory reverse camera right at this time. Okay, so when you press this toggle up, you see the camera there, and it won't trigger the buzzer beep, 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 beep at the back end, especially in the night time. You don't want to do that. So why do we do this? Because this one will help you to see the factory camera when you are driving the truck forward and you want to see what's behind you, or you want to turn it on nicely and gently like this in the night time, and we'll see what happened behind first before you actually turn on the truck and reverse. It's so very handy for any very careful drivers who want to make sure it's good to reverse before he really reverse. And this one come from the request from the owner, and we definitely say yes, we can make it, and we make it happen very nicely over here with a special toggle button over here like this, and it comes back to the normal wireless Android Auto on the screen. As you see, it's wireless Android Auto. But the cool thing is this one. Yeah, definitely it is this one. You have the camera on the finger, and you can see it anytime on demand. And if you don't want it, just turn it down and you will leave it at the automatic factory reverse camera mode as usual. Now that's a little thing, but actually it makes a lot of difference into this system that we install, and it actually took a lot extra time to complete it nicely like this. However, don't worry much, if we actually supply you the kit like this, it will be much easier for you, and it is 100% plug and play, 100% plug and play into the truck. Just one very little thing that I need to mention is that on this steering wheel, it has one button here for the phone answer, I guess, because it looks like a phone icon over here. All of those buttons, they don't connect because they connect to that screen, but this button looks like the phone answer. Currently, the steering wheel control on the Hino truck cannot be connected to our system. We are working on it, but we haven't finished yet, so that's something we need to mention. Otherwise, the new system is absolutely perfect and it works awesome, and especially this button, so good. So it's ready for pickup, and yeah, we will do a video on the Apple Carplay right now. So thanks again for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Just very usual, like what we have done.